This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 84, stage 84 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're doing the firewall and brake master cylinder, apparently. We've got this bit, which apparently goes that way up, and that attaches to it, they just go into there. That one in there, that one into there. Like that. They are held in place with screws, so I need to get those. We need 02 screws. That's 05. That's 12. And they are 08. So I'm not reading that right. Where are we? 12. That's what I need, not 02. 1, 2. Tiny, teeny screws. So 2 of those. I shall use my tiny, teeny screwdriver, I think, because that's quite small. Let me find my tiny, teeny screwdriver. That one will be lovely. So that needs to go back into there. And a screw goes into the end of that. And that will eventually hold that in place. Yep, and the same on there with the other teeny tiny screw. Through there and through there. Okay. Then we need one more of the teeny tiny screws. And that is going to be holding this cap onto here, which will only go on one way round. Screw will hold that in from the bottom. I can pick up the screw. I remember this screwdriver is the one that's not very magnetized. So that goes into there. Then that goes onto there. That way round, yes. It goes on there like that. Okay. Then that goes onto there. Feed into there that way up. And that uses the 05 screw. Not the 08, 05. So one of those will come out of there. There we go. Back to the bigger screwdriver with the better magnet. That will hold that into there. And one more bit to add to this with another 05 screw. Is the only other bit we've got left. And this goes back over that side. We've got a slot and a groove, a slot and a hole. That's going to go in there, and that's going to hold that in place. Just like that, except that's come off. That just came off the bottom there, didn't it? Or the top there, rather. Gravity will continue to hold that in place once I get it assembled. So that's that. Then I need to bring in the car itself, fit that in place with 2 screws going in from the side. So let's get the 2 screws out. Once I've got those out, put that back over there. I don't need that anymore. Let's move that. Let's bring the car in. I need to put them in from this side because that's the side it's going to fit. So it goes onto here, down the back here. Oh, that goes round. I kid it. That goes round there. Everything all fits together, and we've got the 2 screw holes that go into the side there, ready and waiting. Once we get the other side, obviously that will go in and hold in place on the other side as well. Once we get the other side, which I think is next time. Move that back out of the way a little bit. So there we go, 1 screw there and 1 below it a little bit. Just about there. Nice. Again, all of this detail that's going to be completely lost when I put the cover over the top and never open it again. But we'll know it's there. So there we go. That's that. All done. All secure. And 1 more wire to worry about at some point. But I'm sure we'll figure out where that goes soon. But for now, that's that. Another issue completed. It's coming along. I do like the interiors. I like doing the outside more, which is going to start very soon. But for now, that's looking quite good. The only thing is with this one, for some reason, the steering bit didn't connect up properly. So the steering doesn't actually work. The wheels obviously turn, but not properly and not with the steering engaging. But there we go. I'm never going to steer it anyway. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Got the back seat that folds up as well. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.